Hello everyone, here's a quick look of my 2022 Rivian R1T. 1 year, almost 1 year, 11 months, 9,000 miles of vacation miles. I want to show you guys how the PPF is holding up. The truck is fully wrapped, everything from the edges. The windshield's PPF. Everything's holding up nicely. No peeling yet. This part was protected from the rock chips or whatever I hit. My windshield was also hit by the rock and chipped, and windshield was protected. The film I'm using is Stek, S-T-E-K. It was done by Aerowerkz in the City of Industry, California. I think they did a pretty good job. Again, I have this about 9,000, 10,000 miles, 1 year, roughly 1 year. Everything holding up pretty nicely. I just washed this after 4 weekends of snowboarding trip. It was filthy, and everything seems to be okay. Coating, ceramic coating on the film, hydrophobic. All right, thanks everyone.